Okay. So vector B is parallel to AP. No? Parallel. Vector B is parallel to line L. So AP is parallel to vector B. A is a position vector and R is the resultant vector. No? So vector equation of a line is vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B. In Cartesian form, I converted into Cartesian form. No? Morning.
Yes.
How this one is xi, yj and zk. And here vector A is x1 I, y1j and z1k.
Yes.
Clear? Plus lambda vector B. What is B? b1i, b2j and b3 vector k. No? And when reduce, bring this side, then okay, that I already discussed. So what equation you got? X minus x1 by b1,
Is equals to lambda.
y minus y1 by b2, z minus z1 by b2. This is the equation. Okay? And you solve one questions already.
Yes.
Now I am going to solve another type of equation when 2 points are given. Clear? Another type. So see here, this is your x-axis, here y-axis, and this is your z-axis. This is a line L. This is a line L. And on the line L, A and B are 2 points. We have to find out the equation of a line where 2 points are given. So A and B. Point A is x1, y1, z1 and point B is x2, y2, z2. So direction of OA, here vector A, position vector A and OB, position vector B. And PP any arbitrary points on the line L. Clear? That is coordinated x, y, z. Okay? Now we are using a triangle OAB. OAB. So OA plus AB is equal to OB. Any doubt? Clear? Okay. So vector OA, position vector how much? Vector A. Clear? Plus vector AB is equal to vector B. Okay? So it implies vector AB is equal to vector B minus vector A.
Yes.
Clear? Now, if I take that triangle AOP, in triangle AOP, so see here. AOP. So use here the formula OA clear?
Yes.
Triangle of OA plus AP is equal to OP. Is equal to OP. So vector A plus AP is equal to vector R. OP is equal to vector R. Okay. So vector AP, vector R minus vector A. Any doubt? Tell me. Vector AP is equal to vector R minus A. Since line AB and AP both are on the same line, AP and AB both are on the same line. So it means both are collinear or parallel? No. So we know that the vector B equal to lambda vector A. Morning also discussed, and this is the collinear. Okay, if collinear line is collinear, so vector B is equal to lambda vector A. Lambda vector A. So similarly, AP is equal equal to, we can write vector AB, okay, is equal to lambda vector AP. Any doubt? Because both the line, okay, points lies on the same line. It means collinear. Okay, up to here. Any doubt? So OA is vector A. OA is vector A. AB as it is. OB is vector B. So AB is equal to vector B minus vector A. Any doubt? In triangle AOP, so by using the triangle law, OA, see the direction is very important. OA to AP and direction C here OP.
Yes.
OA plus AP is equal to OP. So OA plus AP equal to OP. So position vector of OA is vector A. Position vector here AP as it is. OP is vector R. So AP is equal to vector R minus A. Since AP and AB both are same line, it means both are collinear. So what is the definition of collinear? Vector B is equal to vector lambda vector A. If two vectors are collinear, then vector B is equal to lambda vector A. So see here AP and AB. Here AP and AB, there are two vectors. So both are collinear or parallel. So vector AP is equal to lambda vector AB. So AP is vector R minus A. Lambda AB vector B minus vector A. Now A transfer right side. So vector A plus lambda vector B minus A. Where lambda is any real number. Clear? So you got this one. Now our purpose to convert this one into Cartesian form, and Cartesian form also known as rectangular form. Clear? So now convert. What is vector R? Xi, Yj and Zk. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So here vector A, x1i, y1j and z1k. See here x1, y1, z1. x1i, y1, z1k. What is vector B? What is vector B? x2i, y2j and z2k. Clear?
Yes.
So A you got, B you got and R you got. Now put there xi, yj and zk. Vector R equal to x1i, y1j, z1k plus lambda. Okay? B vector B minus A. I am direct writing. B minus A, x2 minus x1i.
Yes.
x2 minus B minus A, no?
Yes.
B minus A. It means x2 minus x1i. So right here x2 minus x1i. Okay? Plus y2 minus y1j. y2 minus y1j. And z2 minus z1 vector P. Clear? Okay?
Yes.
Now bring this one left side. This term bring left side. Clear? So you will get here x minus x1i. Any doubt? This one you have to bring left side. Y minus y1j, z minus z1k is equal to lambda x2 minus x1i plus lambda y2 minus y1j and lambda z2 minus z1 vector k. Clear?
Yes.
Now equalize both. x2 minus x1i equal to lambda x2 minus x1i. Compare. So when you will compare, so x1 minus x2 is equal to lambda x2 minus x1. Any doubt? X minus x1 is equal to lambda x2 minus x1. So what is lambda? Lambda is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Clear? Similarly, lambda is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1. Lambda z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. Clear? So what is the equation of a line? So equation of a line in Cartesian form is x minus x1 divided by x2 minus y minus y1 y2 minus y1 z minus z1. This is an equation of a line. This is the vector form. This is your vector form, and this one is your Cartesian form. Clear?
Yes.
This one is your Cartesian form. Any doubt? So you got here Cartesian form and vector form. What is the equation Cartesian form? X minus x. If you reduce vector to Cartesian, then you have to do like this. Clear? Morning also discuss and one question. No, reduce. So reduce then this one. If direct,
Then direct
formula. X minus x1, x2 minus x1. Y minus y1, y2 minus y2. Z minus z1, z2 minus z1. Clear? This is the required equation of a line when passing through 2 points. So what is the difference with previous and this one? In previous formula, line was parallel to vector P. Here line parallel line is not given. Here 2 points are given. Clear? Okay?
Yes.
Page number 470, example number 7. Find the vector equation for the line passing through the points -1, 0, 2 and 3, 4, 6. Okay, so here the equation of a line passing through 2 points. Okay, here 2 points is given. So equation number 2. Okay, we are going to apply equation number 2 of a line. Clear? So here position vector. What is vector A? We have.
Minus I.
So vector A. What is vector A? Position vector A.
Minus I.
Here no vector A. OA. OA. Position vector OA. So vector A. Vector A is
Minus I.
minus I,
Plus
0, J and 2K.
Yes.
Vector A. Vector B.
3I.
3I, 4J plus 6K. Clear?
Yes.
So equation of a line passing through 2 points is equation of a line passing through 2 points are vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B minus vector A.
Yes.
Clear? This is the formula in the vector form.
Yes.
So vector R is equal to minus 1I, 0J and 2K plus lambda vector B minus vector A. So B is 3I
So that's a directly.
direct.
Direct.
here minus
minus
j 3i here minus I is there, so
Plus.
become 4i.
yes,
Okay, here
4j
4j
4
and 6 minus 2k 4k. Clear?
yes,
So vector r is equal to I 2k plus lambda. Okay, if 4 is taken out,
ij
then I, j and here k. So lambda you can change the any arbitrary constant, I plus 2k plus lambda or mu I plus j plus constant multiply constant is constant, another constant. Clear? Okay, what is answer? They left up here. Okay, now convert into Cartesian form. Convert into Cartesian form. Convert or use the formula. Reduce. If reduce, find the vector equation of the line path. Only vector. Here not asked. Okay. If you want to convert, then you
x minus
clear. I have to convert here. Okay. Example number 8. The Cartesian equation of a line is x plus 3 by 2, y minus 5 by 4, z plus 6 by 2. Find the vector equation of the corner line. So here you have to convert into standard form. You have to convert into standard form. What is the standard form of the equation of a line? And this is the 1 point form equation of the line, because the standard form is x minus x1 by v1 equal to y minus y1 by v2 and z minus z1 by v3. Okay, so write here solution. Okay, line is x minus x1 by v1,
yes,
y minus y1 by v2, z minus z1 by v2. Now convert here. Okay, x minus minus 3 by 2. We can write like this.
yes,
Okay, y minus 5 by 4, z minus minus 6 by 4. Okay, any doubt? Now here you have to convert. So this is your v1, v2, v3. This is the vector v? No. So your equations here, this is the x, y, z. Okay, this is the line L. Okay, here A, here B or P, vector R, position vector R. Okay, see here origin. Any doubt? And this is vector B. What is vector B? V1I, V2J and V3K. Clear? Any doubt? And what is here vector A? Vector A is A1I, A2J and A3 vector K. Clear? And point is your here. What is the point? This is x minus x1. So x1 is here minus 3, 5 and minus 6.
yes,
This is the point, no? x1 minus 3, y1 and x1, okay, here y1 5, z1 minus 6. So vector A is equal to, what is vector A? Minus 3i plus 5j minus 6k. What is vector B? 2i 4j 2k. Clear? So vector equation, vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B.
Yes.
So vector A is
Minus
3i plus 5j minus 6k plus lambda vector B 2i 4j plus 2k. Okay, this is the vector equation. Okay, any doubt? Now I am going to twist the question. I am writing here in place of y, here I am writing 3y. Clear? And here I am writing 5z. Okay? Then how you will convert into standard form? So here, okay, this one question is okay. Now I am changing the question. Clear? Now I change the question, here becomes 3y. Then you will do, okay, so this one you already here, x minus 3 by 2, first one is as it is.
Yes.
So you have to make the coefficient of y is unity.
Yes.
Coefficient of y is unity. So how you will make? 3 is taken out, y minus 5 by 3 by 4. Clear?
Yes.
And these 3 we can divide here. Any doubt? Clear? And here 5 is taken out. Then how much? Z plus 6 by 5 divided by 2. And these 2 here.
Yes.
Clear? And here it is plus. So how you write? How you write? Minus minus 6 by 5.
Yes.
Clear? Now this is your x1, y1, z1. Clear? And this one is b1, b2, b3. Okay? Any doubt? Clear? Concept is clear? Any doubt?